Determine the domain and the range of the relation, and then tell whether the relation is a function. So here are our ordered pairs. The first thing they want us to do is to find the domain. It says use a comma to separate answers as needed, and it says type each answer only once. Okay, so let's take a look at our ordered pairs. We're going to write this down as a table. Okay, we know that our x is going to represent the domain, and we have our y coordinate, which represents the range. So let's list all the x values or the x coordinates in our ordered pairs. So we have 11, we have 30, we have 42, we have 11, and then we have 56. And then the range is going to be the y values, or the y coordinates. So we have 6, -3, 6, 5, and then 5. So when we want to list our domain, it's going to be the following. We have 11, we have 30, we have 42. We're not going to list 11 twice because that's what it's asking us. And then we have 56. So let's go ahead and put that answer in there. So 11, 30, 42, and 56. So we have 11, 42, 11, 30, 42, and then 56. And let's check our answer, and there is our result. Now we want to find out what is the range of the function. So here we have our range, which are all the y values. So the range is going to be 6, -3. Again, we're not going to type the number twice, so there's another 6, and there's 2 5s. So that's going to be our range, which is 6, -3, and 5. So let's go ahead and put that in there. So we have 6, -3, 5, and then there is our result. Okay, now we want to determine whether this relation is a function or not. So we need to take a look at this. All right, so we see that 11 maps to 6. Okay, we see that 30 maps to -3. We see that 42 maps to 6. 11 maps to 5, and then 56 maps to 5. Now, if you notice, because of the fact that we have two inputs going to two different outputs, then this is not a function. Okay, so how would we write this out? We're going to say the following, right? A function is a relation in which each element in the domain corresponds to exactly one element in the range. Now, one element in the domain, 11, corresponds to two elements in the range, 6 and 5. Thus, this relation is not a function. So in here, we're going to say no. Let's check our answer, and there is our result.